Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Freshsales. So the use case here is that whenever a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to add them as lead in Freshsales. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas Freshsales is a CRM software. Although WooCommerce and Freshsales have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from WooCommerce to Freshsales. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow. So I will give it as WooCommerce 2. Okay, so now here in this workflow, we are going to integrate WooCommerce and Freshsales using Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Freshsales with Pabbly Connect. So here in Choose App, I am going to choose WooCommerce. Okay, so now in Choose Method, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to create lead in Freshsales. So customer created will be our trigger method over here, this one. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What am I trying to say? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new customer is created in WooCommerce, create lead in Freshsales. So new customer created in WooCommerce will be our trigger, whereas creating lead in Freshsales will be our action. So now here when you click on choose method, you can see we have many other trigger methods. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger method. Okay, so now when you come down here, you can see this term called webhook URL. So now after choosing the app and after choosing the method, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is WooCommerce over here. So now what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So now you can read the instructions carefully and go and copy this webhook URL and paste it inside the WooCommerce. So I'll copy the webhook URL from here. So now I'll go to my WooCommerce account. So I've already opened my WooCommerce account. This is the home page. And now I'll go to my settings over here. And then I'm going to click on advanced. Okay, so now I'm going to click on webhooks from here. And then we are going to add webhook. Okay, so now name, so I'm going to name it as WooCommerce integration. Okay, status is going to be active and the topic is customer created, this one. Delivery URL, so here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. So now I'll save it. I will just save it again. Okay, so coming to Pabbly Connect. So now I'll capture the webhook response. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and register a new customer in WooCommerce. So I've already opened this registration page over here. So let me register. Amelia. Email is amelia@pabbly.com. First name is Amelia. Last name is Jacob. Okay, so now I'm going to register this customer. Okay, so you can see registration is complete. That means we have successfully registered a customer here at WooCommerce. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have got our webhook response. You can see the email, first name, last name is over here. So now I'll just go and save it. Okay, so now here we have finished our first step integration successfully. Now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Freshsales and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button. And here I am going to choose Freshsales. Okay, so now in choose method, according to our workflow, whenever a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to create lead in Freshsales. So create lead will be our action method over here. Now you can select any other action method as well according to your choice. And if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action method. So now I'll click on create lead. Okay, so now I'm going to connect with Freshsales. So here create new or select existing credentials. Now if you have any existing credentials like this, you can just select them and you don't have to paste all this information. But I am going to choose new credentials and I'll show you how to get your API key and subdomain. So you can read the instruction, enter your API key along with token equal to prefix. So you have to add this prefix. So I'll just paste it here. So now let's go to Freshsales account. So this is my Freshsales account. And here in account settings, I'll go to settings. And here you can see the API settings. Okay. Okay, so you can see the API key over here. So I'll just reset the key. Okay, so here you can see I have got my new API key. So I'll just copy it. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now here it is asking me for the subdomain. So for subdomain, I'll go to my Freshsales account and I'm going to copy this connect Pabbly. And I'll come to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so now this subdomain and API key will help us to build a connection between Freshsales and Pabbly Connect. So now I'll save this. Okay, so now coming down, you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So first name, let us map it. First name Amelia. Last name is Jacob. Email amelia@pabbly.com. Rest of the information I'll just leave it as it is. I'll just change the subscription status to subscribed. And I'll go down and I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully built a connection between WooCommerce and Freshsales successfully. So now I'll save it. Okay, so now let's go to Freshsales and see if a new lead called Amelia is created there or not. So I'll go to Freshsales and here are the leads. Okay, so now I'll go to this and here I'm going to select on new leads. So you can see Amelia Jacob. So this is the lead that we have recently got from WooCommerce. If you click on it, you can get the other details. Email is here. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration over here. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'm going to register a customer again. Okay. Okay, so let us register. Okay, so username is going to be Michael. Email is michael@pabbly.com. First name is Michael. Last name is George. So I'll just register. Okay, registration is complete. Now let's go to Freshsales and see if a new lead is created there or not. So Freshsales, I'll just go to leads. So you can see Michael George is here and his email is over here. So now I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize this. Okay, so in our example, what might have happened? First, information would have come from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect, it came to Freshsales. So now every time a new customer is created in WooCommerce, a lead will be created in Freshsales automatically. So we have successfully finished integration of WooCommerce and Freshsales using Pabbly Connect. Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.